This is Suriname's 49th independence. This over here to the left is Suriname's presidential palace. How did I get here? It all started this morning. Just for some context and information, Suriname gained its independence from the Netherlands on the 25th of November 1975, which marked the beginning of its journey as a sovereign nation. This small but culturally rich country has since become a shining example of unity and diversity with a blend of indigenous, African, Asian, and European influences. The flag is a proud symbol of its unity. The green represents fertility, the red for progress, the white for justice, and the golden star at its center symbolizes unity and a bright future. The day kicks off with a grand parade at the Independence Square in Paramaribo. Military bands, cultural groups, and school children all come together to honor the nation. The flag raising ceremony is a powerful moment, reminding everyone of Suriname's journey to independence. Here, what you see in the background is civilians being treated to a display by the Surinamese Coast Guard. Of course, in typical fashion for me, I have to fill my belly. Just look at this meal. Of all the meals there are to offer, sourdough will always be my favorite Surinamese dish. After that last meal, a little later in the evening, my colleagues and I went for a walk to see what the streets of Suriname had to offer us. There were a lot of things that caught my eye, such as these handcrafted items made by many of these local vendors spread across the town and the city. One of the unique things that stood out to me were the voices of the people, their local language being referred to as taki taki. These unique and colorful buses could be seen all across the town and seems to be one of the main forms of transportation in the city. Just as you would have seen in the intro, here we come closer to the vicinity of the presidential palace, and you could see all the flags and traditional clothing that the people wear, such as this lady here. Numerous monuments can be seen in this vicinity that all mark and speak to the heritage and rich history of this country. I wouldn't want to bore you any further, but you can do a little research, use Google or even ChatGPT to find out about its history. I encourage you to do so as well. Once again, I return to Fort Zeelandia, and here you can see in the background the famous I Love Suriname sign. And it's just ironic that these three ladies here sitting in combination with the bench have the same colors as the Surinamese flag. This next monument here is simply referred to as the Anchor Monument. After leaving Fort Zeelandia, the next place we went to, as you could see in the sign we just passed, was Palmentuin, which also means palm tree garden or garden of palm trees. It's located behind the presidential palace and is a famous tourist attraction in Paramaribo. The place looked absolutely amazing and was something that you had to experience for yourself in person. You could see many children walking around on these ponies and the ladies wearing the traditional garments representing the Suriname colors. After we exited Palm Tree Garden, my next intended location was to go to the St. Peter and Paul Basilica of Paramaribo. Now, I'm going to have a short montage that follows soon. However, my footage had to be cut short due to being chased by another rogue FPV style drone that was very fast and scary to take in. I had to withdraw and call back my drone and leave the area in fear that this drone might destroy my own. It's something that I only ever heard about and was quite scary to experience, but you will still see for yourself the great footage that I was able to capture regardless. And if you made it this far in the video, again, thank you for taking time out of your day to spend with me. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Again, this is your boy Z signing out.